Hello and welcome to TechAcad. One of the questions that many C Sharp beginners ask when they start learning C Sharp is what is the difference between string with small s and string with capital S? Today we are going to find out the same. So let's start. In C Sharp, string keyword is an alias for the string class in .NET Framework. In fact, every C Sharp type has an equivalent in .NET Framework. Another example can be int and long in C Sharp map to int32 and int64 in .NET Framework. So technically there is no difference between string keyword and string class. The only tiny difference is that if you use string class, you need to import the system namespace on top of your file, whereas you don't have to do this when you're using the string keyword. As we know now that there is no technical difference, but the difference is how you use it. Many programmers prefer and recommend using string keyword anytime you are referring to an object. In simple words, to declare a string variable like. Likewise, use string class if you need to refer specifically to the class. Means string is for accessing other string class static members. Like this is just one of the aliases in C Sharp. The complete list is. Hope you like the video. Goodbye. Happy learning.